A scientist conducts a terrifying experiment using the regenerative genes of a python. He cuts the snake in half, places one part inside a glass container, and watches in disbelief as its body completely regenerates. But the scientist wants more. He removes a mysterious biological chip and combines it with human DNA. Just 2.5 minutes later, something impossible happens. A giant embryo suddenly forms inside the laboratory. Before the scientist can react, the creature bursts through its shell. A fully grown man emerges, strong, handsome, and completely unlike anything humanity has ever created. The scientist is thrilled with his experiment, but his excitement quickly turns into fear. The creature, later known as Ethan, has developed his own consciousness. He attacks the scientist and escapes the laboratory before anyone can stop him. Ethan soon discovers something even more incredible. His body can regenerate from almost any injury. To test his new ability, he cuts off a finger, and within moments it grows back perfectly. Now Ethan believes he is almost impossible to kill. He enters the city and begins using his incredible powers for his own purposes. But someone has been hunting him. An older man named Marcus, who seems to know exactly what Ethan is capable of. Marcus repeatedly attacks Ethan, but every time Ethan is injured, his body simply repairs itself. Even after losing limbs and suffering devastating wounds, he keeps coming back. The situation becomes a nightmare when Ethan begins causing chaos throughout the city. Police struggle to stop him because ordinary weapons are almost useless. Marcus realizes that Ethan isn't just dangerous. He could become an unstoppable threat to everyone. Their final confrontation takes place high above the city. Marcus fights Ethan desperately, knowing that he cannot defeat him through brute force. During the battle, Ethan is thrown through shattered glass and his body is torn apart. But instead of dying, his body begins regenerating once again. That's when Marcus discovers Ethan's secret weakness. Hidden inside Ethan's brain is a special energy core, the source that allows his body to regenerate. Marcus manages to remove the core before Ethan can completely recover. Without it, Ethan finally loses his extraordinary power. The experiment that created him is finally brought to an end. Marcus takes the energy core away and destroys it, ensuring that this terrifying ability can never be recreated. And just like that, the man who could survive almost anything is finally defeated. The film ends with one chilling question: what if scientists could actually create a human being who could never die?